Hello everyone, I am Dr. A. Nagalakshmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce with Finance in Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. I am here to explain a concept in the topic report writing. We are going to see in detail what are reports and kinds of reports in the course Business Correspondence. First, we should know what is meant by a report. So report is nothing but it is a formal. We have to underline the term formal written communication. It's not an informal, it's a formal. That presents information, findings, analysis and recommendations. So report is a formal document that presents. That formal document includes information, findings, analysis and recommendations on a particular subject or activity. It is prepared systematically for decision making and academic or organizational purpose. It is said to be a general meaning of report. Now we are going to see the definition of report. A report is a structured presentation of facts, data, observation and conclusions prepared after investigation or study. Now we are going to see the objectives of report. Why the report to be prepared? To provide accurate information. Report is a formal written document. So formal means it should be a professional. It should be based on fact. So it will provide accurate information, to analyze problems and situations, to assist in decision making, to record activities and performance, to communicate findings clearly. So these are the objectives of reports. Now we are going to see a characteristics of a good report. So a good report, what does mean by a good report? Good report means that report should be clear. It should be concise. It should not be like a long and like a sticky one. It should be concise. It should contains accurate and it should be based on factual events. Then it should be objective and unbiased. It should not have any personal opinions. It should be well organized and it should be systematic, supported by data and evidence. It includes conclusions and recommendations. Okay, these are the characteristics of a good report. If all these things is there in a report, that report is said to be a very good report. Now we are going to see the importance of reports. Why the report is important? Because it helps in planning and policy making. It provides a permanent record, evidence. It enhances communication. It supports research and academic evaluation, and it improves organizational efficiency. For all these purposes, we need the report. So the report is important for all these things. Next, we are going to see the kinds of reports. So report has different kinds. So reports vary based on purpose, audience and format. Okay, it's simple. Report will be prepared based on the situation. So purpose should be there, audience should be there, and for format it will vary. They are classified into several types. The first type is informational report. So it focuses on presenting facts without analysis or recommendations. So informational fact will not analyze anything. We focus on presenting fact without analyzing our recommendations. See, an example is given for that. Example is progress report. So updating on project status. Meeting minutes. If we conduct a meeting in a company, the minutes what we prepare out of the meeting, what actually had, is recording the discussions which are made in the meeting. Next is inventory report, that is stock levels. How much stock is there, at what price it is there, on which date it is purchased. So inventory reports are like that. So they are straightforward and objective. So informational report is said to be a straightforward report and it is objective in nature. Now we are going to see the next one, that is analytical report. It involves data interpretation, evaluation and conclusions. So examples for this analytical reports are feasibility report, that is assessing project viability, whether this project if we implement, whether it gives a result or not, whether it is effective or not, that is feasibility report. Research reports, analyzing the market trends. Next is the audit report, examining the financial discrepancies. So every year the chartered accountant of the company has to prepare an audit report regarding the company's financial statement. So they require critical thinking and evidence-based arguments. That is said to be the analytical report. Now we are going to see the next type, that is formal versus informal report. That is reports. It gives a clear picture that formal reports are structured with all the elements. What we saw in the previous video. Title page, introduction, abstract, main content, body, everything. Conclusion, bibliography, appendix, everything. It's a structured. But see, example given is business annual report. Informal ones are shorter, like memos or mails, emails used for internal communication. It is said to be informal report. Next we are going to see the periodic reports. Periodic gives a picture that it is issued at regular intervals, such as weekly sales report or quarterly financial statement, like that. So the period will be fixed. At each period a report has been prepared and given. Special report, prepared for unique situations like incident reports, detailing accidents, or investigation reports, probing issues like frauds. Some occasions, if a report is supposed to be prepared, that is said to be special reports. Next is a technical report, detailed scientific or engineering findings, often with jargon, diagrams and methodologies. Lab experiments reports are the example of technical reports. The other variations, the oral report. Oral report means presented verbally but often backed by written versions. Or the next one is visual reports, infographics, heavy for quick consumption. So the choice of the report depends on the objective, that is to inform, persuade or analyze, and the audience needs. We have to choose the type of report based upon the situation. So thank you so much for the patience listening. I hope you all get the some knowledge or input regarding what is meant by a report and what are the kinds of reports. Thank you so much.